Hi, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial we're going to be learning how we can create an email template using the Builderall's autoresponder, which is called Mailingboss. So if you're within your dashboard right now, just navigate to your Mailingboss, Email Marketing Boss. If it's not already on your desktop or your dashboard, you could go up to Apps and then come over here and select the drag and drop email marketing Mailingboss. It opens up the Mailingboss dashboard, and if you go up to the top left where it says menu and then templates and then select my templates. Here you will see a list of all your templates that you previously created or you imported using the templates option and gallery. So we won't go over the gallery portion today, but we're going to create a template from scratch. So what we do is create new template. And then it brings over your email editing form basically, and what you could do is name this. So I'm going to call this email template example 2, only because I have an email template example 1 already. So let's start creating this template from scratch. So I'm gonna bring in, over to the right you have all these tools or elements that you get add to your form. So we're gonna go over a few of them today. I'm gonna add, all you have to do is click it and drag it over, and you can see how easy it is to drag in over. So if you already have elements on here, you could drag it above the element or below the element, and it moves it accordingly. So I'm going to create, put it up on top. To change the image, all you have to do is select that image element, and then let's load an image. And I'm just going to select something from any file folder. So let's scroll down here. I'm going to select that, click open, and it changes that image. Now, let's say that when the end user gets this email, if they click on that image, it's going to redirect them to another site or to your domain. So let's click on that, and here we can insert image link. So let's just type in an address. I'm just typing a generic address, google.com, and you can adjust the width and height of this image. So if you want to have it a certain width and height in terms of pixels, you can change that. So that's all you have to do there. If you want to save it, the changes, come up here and click that save check mark. Or if you want to delete this element, you could also do that too. So I'm going to save it. Now I'm just going to have a text element here. I'm just going to create Okay, I'm going to click the check mark to save it. Now let's say I want to add another image. So I'm going to use the image element here. And again, select it, load image, Okay, this time I won't change a link or add a link to it if the user clicks on an image. Now let's scroll down. Let's add something else. Let's add a button. Again, you could change this, click on it, you could change the size, watch what happens there. You can change the position either to the left, middle, or right. Let's keep it centered. You could change the color of the background, so by selecting this, okay, or if you knew the hex conversion to it, you could type that in there. The font color is going to refer to the text color right here. So if I want to change it to black, just click that. That's all you have to do. If you want to change the text itself, just change this. And then when someone clicks on that button within your email, you could redirect them to a URL. So again, I'm just going to redirect it to google.com. Again, I'm on this button, so I'm going to click Save. If you want to add like a divider, like right now, this is a divider right here, which is this element here, right here, divider. So it just basically puts a horizontal rule across there, and you could change the color also. You could change it to black, as you can see, or red. It changes it to red. Let's do that. And then you could also add your social media icons. Let's see, where is it? Right here, social media. So click on that. Let's drag this over. And again, you could change this text here if you want, add more text, whatever that you want. You could also change these. These are images. You don't have to stay with this image itself. You could preload your own image from wherever. And of course, it's automatically going to take it to your social media profile. So just put in the correct link here and it'll do that. And also you could change the height and width of it in terms of pixels. So if you want to have it bigger, just play around with this width and height adjustment. So close that. That is just a generic template that you could put through whenever you have subscribers in your list. You could use you can now use this template for all your emails, whether it be just a single email that you want to send out, or if you want to send it through your autoresponder list. So you could also change this, the bottom footer, to your unsubscribe URL, and you could change the text here. And also too, if you want to, let's add some. Let's go over here, and let's say we want this text right here to be linked to an outside URL. What you do is you just highlight it, click on this link icon, and then type in your URL. Click that save, and now you have a link there. Okay, so let's, at this point, I won't go through all these different elements, but you can play around with it to see how it works, and then click Save Changes. Okay, now at this point, you could preview it. Well, actually, before I do that, I want to show you something first. first let's send a test email. So what you could do is click on this, and all you have to do is just type in your email, whatever it may be, and then you can type in the from email, which is optional. Again, you're just testing it at this point. Once you do that, click on send test, and it's going to send you that test email. So I'm not going to do that at this time, so I'm going to click close. But I want to show you something. So I'm going to save changes. Okay. Now it's all saved. Your template is now saved. Now let's go back over here to menu, templates, my templates. Now you can see that you have your template here that we just created. Now as you can see, it says no image here. As like all these other ones, it gives you like kind of a preview of that email. In order to get a preview here, what you need to do is let's update it. And now I'm going to show you what preview does here. Watch what it happens. So when we click on preview, and it's uploading a preview of this template. So give it a second while it's working here. It says please wait while saving your template screenshot. It may take a few seconds, so be patient while it's uploading a screenshot. So it's just taking a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video while it's uploading, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and it finally uploaded the preview. So let's step back just a second here. Let's go back to update. So whenever you click on preview, it's going to open up a dialog box here, and it's going to create a screenshot basically of your email template. Once you do that, once you go back to menu, templates, my templates, then that screenshot that it creates for you now appears as an image here. So you could easily come to your listed email templates, and it will show like a screenshot or preview basically of what that email looks like. So instead of having no image like you see here, you now have an image of your email template here. So that is how you can create an email template using the Mailingboss autoresponder that comes with the Builderall platform. In my next video, now I'm going to show you how you could take this email template and create a campaign. A campaign is just basically a single email, or you can create an email sequence. So whenever you send out an email, now you could use this email template for either your email sequence, which is going to be multiple emails that go through the autoresponder, or you can create just one single email that gets sent out one time only, and it will use this email template. So my next video, I'll show you how you could do that. So I want to thank you again for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification, so whenever you whenever I have a new video uploaded, you'll be first to be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate it very much. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.